Okay, the camera is fine. So hello people, have you ever made any automation project? Yes? Well, then I will let you know how to win prizes up to 2 lakh rupees using that automation project. Let's get started. Hey guys, this is Sachin Soni and in this video, I'll be introducing you all with an amazing contest called as India Automation Challenge brought to you by Circuit Digest, where you just need to submit your automation project to win amazing prizes. Now before moving ahead, let's talk a bit about Circuit Digest. Well, Circuit Digest is an online community of engineers and makers who are passionate about electronics and technology. Now if I talk about their website, then here you can find all the latest news, articles, interviews, projects and several other information in the field of electronics. And these are the people who came up with this contest idea and also to provide a platform to show our creativity. Now before I guide you with all the steps to take part in it, let me just show you all the prizes to be won and will charge you all up to take part in it. Starting from the bottom then, each and every participant who successfully submit their project will get a guaranteed certificate of participation. Above that, top 50 projects who gets maximum number of likes on their project will get the freebies like pen drive, t-shirts, etc. Moving ahead, we have an audience choice category in which the project which gets the highest number of likes by the audience will get a cash prize of flat 20,000 rupees. Next, we have the best by presentation category in which your project submission will get different points based on different criteria shown in the screen. And the one who gets the maximum number of points will get a cash prize of rupees 30,000. And on the top, we have best by design category in which there are 3 different prizes to be won. Third is of rupees 25,000, second is of rupees 35,000 and the first prize is of rupees 50,000. And this category has some different criteria and each criteria got a dedicated point. So again, the one which gets maximum number of points will win the above prizes. Now I hope you are pretty much excited to take part in it as soon as possible, but before that, let me just go through all the basic criteria that you need to follow to take part in it. So the criteria of this project goes like, first of all, you need to be a resident of India to take part in it. Yes, this contest is limited to Indians only. So if you are India, let's move on to the next criteria. Our second criteria goes like, choose any of your automation project that has potential of practical application and can help us in transformation of India. That project can be from any categories like transportation, health, security, smart home, energy management, etc. But the only thing you should keep in mind is that it should be your original project. On the website, it clearly states that plagiarism of any kind will not be tolerated. And the third criteria says that one single person can submit only one single project. So yeah, if you are from India and if you have a unique automation project with you, well, you are good to go to register your project. And let me show you the step for that. So first of all, you need to go to this website whose link is mentioned in the description. After that, just click on the register button to register your account. So let's quickly fill up all the details. Now here, make sure you enter the valid shipping address because this shipping address will be used to ship your certificates, okay? So make sure it's a valid shipping address. Now here you have to mention the brief of your project, like what you are building, okay? In my case, I will be using this project, which is the IoT remote. So I'll write the brief here. Great. After that, you have to create the password. That's it. Just click on create account. Okay, now it says please verify your email. So just go to your registered email ID. Now, as you can see, there is no new mail in the primary section. Let's just check the spam folder. Okay, so here is that message. Click here and click here to verify the email. So we are successfully verified. I will log into our account. Perfect. So I have successfully created my account with the name Sachin Soni. Okay. After creating account, you need to submit our project. For that, just click on the submit button. Now here we have to fill all the details regarding the project that we want to submit. Okay. So I have already prepared a kind of a documentation. So I'll quickly copy and paste the thing, but don't worry, I'll guide you with all the steps. First of all, you have to give the title of the project. In my case, I'm using my IoT remote for smart home project for this particular contest. Okay. After doing so, you have to choose the cover image. Now make sure the cover image has the project in working condition. For example, here in my IoT remote, as you can see, this is the IoT remote live in the working condition. Okay, so make sure you have such kind of image that reveals the project in working condition. Click on choose file. And here is the image of my IoT remote. Great. After that, you have to provide the project pitch, like how your project is working, and it should explain its application as well. Okay, so I already prepared a project pitch here. I'll simply copy it and paste it here. Straight after that, here you have to provide what hardware component you use to build this particular project, and make sure each and every component is separated by commas. Okay, so in my case, these all are the hardware components used. So I'll simply copy them and paste them here. Similarly, for software, I have used the Arduino and the Blink IT platform, which is separated by commas. So I'll simply paste that here. Okay, now here we have to specify that why we have selected a particular hardware and a particular software for a project. Like, what's the importance of that? We can provide their features, their configurations, anything. Okay, so you have to provide those details here. I already prepared, so I'll simply copy this thing and paste them here. Great. After that, here you have to provide the circuit diagram image, like the connection diagram of all the different components used for the project. In my case, I have the schematic for this particular project, so I'll directly upload the schematic. In your case, if you have the diagram, please do upload the diagram. Okay, so after attaching the circuit diagram, here you can write the text to explain the connection or maybe explain the circuit. Okay, so it will help the judges to understand your circuit in a better manner. See, the more like detailed manner you fill all this form, the more chances that the judges will be able to completely understand your project, and the more chances that you get more and more number of points for each criteria. So fill up all the details like very silently in very descriptive manner. Okay, great. So after that, I'll choose the hardware image. Now hardware image may include all the images that were clicked while making that project, maybe the hardware image, maybe the component images and testing images, stuff like that. So I'll click on choose file. I'll go to my desktop, and here are some of the images, like the project image, the display image, and the fitting image. Okay, so I'll attach all these images here, and you can write the description to explain the purpose of each of the images. Okay, so that's the thing you can add here. After that, you have to provide the code of your project that is used in your particular controller board. Okay, now make sure the project is not in the format like .ini or .py or .exe, or either you can upload it on the document format or you can upload it in the zip format. Okay, so I'll click on choose file. I already have the code in the document format, which is this. Okay, so I'll simply click on the choose button, and here's the main code. Okay, after that, here you have to attach the video of your project. Now see, I'll definitely give a great suggestion here. After making your project, please make a detailed video about, like not the tutorial video, but a video that explains the purpose of your project, that explains the working of your project. Please shoot a high quality video and upload it on YouTube. And after uploading it on YouTube, you just need to paste the link here. In my case, I already have a tutorial video link, so I'll attach that. But again, I'm saying that it should not be specifically the tutorial video. If it is a tutorial video, it will be good, but it should be a well presented video that explains your project, that explains the purpose of your project. Okay, after that, here are the other attachment folder in which you can attach files like the text file, images, design files, like all the other details that are not included or not asked in this form, but it is required for your project. Just like if you have a 3D printed case, you can attach the 3D printed like STM file here, and other files, like if your code has multiple files, you can attach multiple code files, like etc. Okay, so all those other attachments that are required for a project, you have to attach here. After that, here if you want to give credits to a particular person or a particular company with the help of which you were able to build this particular project, you can definitely give their credits here. After that, just click on the submit button. Okay, so it is asking us to fill this field as well, so you need to explain the connection diagram as well. So let us try explain the connection diagram. After that, just explain the hardware images as well. Great, I have filled all the details. Now I'll click on the submit button, and hopefully it should get submitted. So once you click on the submit button, your content will be verified and accepted as a valid submission within 24 hours. And after that, your project will be listed here inside the submission option. So this is how you and other people can visualize your project, and you'll also be able to see the number of likes and views on each of the submission. Well, my project won't be listed inside the submission option. It's just because, wait, I will let you know this later on, but yeah, this is how you can submit your own project. So these were the simple steps to submit your project for India Automation Challenge 2021, but that's not it. You need to do a little more effort to increase your chances to win. Let me tell you. So after submitting your project, the first thing you need to do is to share that project across all your social media handles to attract more and more people towards your project so that they can give a like to your project. Because if you remember, we have an Audience Choice Award category in which the project which gets the maximum number of likes will get a cash prize of rupees 20,000. So more you share, more people will like it and more chances for you to win that prizes. And talking about the rest of the two categories, well, it's dependent on the judge's decision, and it's also dependent on how well you have submitted your project. As I told while submitting the project, that be very detailed, be very specific about your project. Maybe it's description, maybe it's video. The more like detailed manner you present your project, present your purpose, the better chances that the judges will be able to understand it easily and will give you more and more numbers. So like this is how you can increase your chances to win the prizes. So that was it. Just give your best and wait till 31st December. Yes, on the last date of the year, the winners will be announced for this contest. So yeah, that was it about the India Automation Challenge 2021. I wish you very best of luck to all those who participate in this contest, and I will definitely suggest you, motivate you, encourage you to definitely take part in it, not for winning but also to share the knowledge with the community. It is the best platform to share the knowledge. That being said, do click a like to this video and also let me know in the comments, are you interested in getting this alert or introduction video about different contests running around the world? And if it is so, do give me your suggestion, your thoughts, your feedback in the comment of the video. That being said, I'm just ending this video here and now. Just wait for my next video and explore, learn, share with me, Techie SMS.